Hello kids. Now we will read counting from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's begin. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's start.
1 little sunshine so bright. 2 happy birds take their flight. 3 green trees waving hello. 4 fluffy clouds begin to show. 5 little bees buzz around. 6 colorful kites higher found. 7 shining stars in the sky. Oh, oh. 8 cute puppies running by. 8 cute puppies running by. 8 cute puppies running by. Oh. 9 red apples on a tree. 10 cool fish swimming free. 9 red apples on a tree.